In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom settings on both Outlook, the traditional desktop app, and the new app. Starting with the traditional desktop app, the easiest way to zoom in on an email is holding the control key and then scrolling up with your mouse. So holding control and scrolling up, I'm zooming in here by 10% increments and it zooms in. If we double click somewhere and hold control again, we've opened up this email, we can zoom in. If you wanted to quickly reset this, you can hold control and the 0 key. That brings it back to 100%, or control and scroll down. That will zoom out. If I zoom in to a really high percentage, like 200%, I can now see this email nice and clear. But if I X out of this, my emails default back to 100%. If you want to save it at a certain zoom, what you want to do is double click and open up an email. And then here in the messages tab, all the way on the right hand side, select on zoom and put it to the percentage that you want. Let's say 200 for this example, and select on remember my preference and select on OK. So this is going to zoom in to 200%. But when we X out of this, go back to the rest of our views, everything here is at 200%. We open up another email. And you see here, it's saved at 200%. And if we go ahead and adjust it one more time, because we've ticked on the option of remember my preference, we're going to use control. We're going to scroll down to 150. And then if we jump out of this and look at any other email, these have zoomed out to 150. So once you open up an email and you go zoom, if you select on remember my preference, once you change it, it will just save it in all of your emails. And it's super easy. Two other ways to zoom in and out on the Outlook app is in the bottom right hand corner. You can simply use the slider here and press on the plus or the minus options, or you could slide it to zoom in or zoom out, or you could use the keyboard shortcut control plus and that zooms in 10% increments, control and minus that zooms out by 10%, or control 0 would set you back to default. But those are the ways that you can zoom in and out on the traditional Outlook app. Now let's see how we can do it in the new Outlook app. In new Outlook, again, super similar. If you hold the control key and you scroll up with your mouse, you can zoom in. If you scroll down, you can zoom out, and control 0 brings you back to 100%. But here, without needing to open up an email, in the view tab, you can select on the zoom option, and it even tells you here, control plus, control minus, control 0 is zoom in, out, and reset. But if you open this guy up, we're just going to set it to, in this example, 200. And then you see all our emails are automatically set to 200. If we go zoom again, we can simply go reset. And once you change it in one area, it just changes everywhere in the new Outlook. But it's that easy to save and change the zoom preferences in the new and the traditional Outlook. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.